All right, so now what we're gonna do is export this out. So we're happy with everything the way it is. I'm gonna go to the file drop down and we're gonna select export. We're gonna do an export as. So from here, we can choose the file type. So this is gonna be an SVG. I'm gonna click export. It's gonna give us some options here. We'll keep this the way it is. I'll click OK. And that's our SVG file. Now, if I go back and do it again, export as, I can change it to a JPEG or a PNG. So we'll do the PNG. You can see, again, background is transparent. You can change the resolution. So if you want real high resolution, we can do that. And I can click OK there. And then we can do the last one, which is export as a JPEG. So you can pick any of these file formats. I'm going to pick the JPG. We'll click export. Again, changing maybe the resolution to a higher resolution. The higher resolution, the larger the file size, but it's easier to work with depending on where you're going with it. So that's how we export it out to those file formats. And the next video, I'm going to show you what you would do with this in Cricut Design Studio.